Hello students, in this video we will learn some basic concepts of air and atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air which is called the atmosphere. All living beings on this earth depend on the atmosphere for their survival. It provides us the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effects of the sun's rays. Without this blanket of protection, we would be baked alive by the heat of the sun during the day and get frozen during night. Air has made the temperature on the earth livable. You all know that we cannot see air, we can only feel air. But have you ever thought, what is this air made up of? Today we are going to see the constituents of the air around us. But let's first look at the major components of the atmosphere. The bulk of the atmosphere is made up of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen is the most plentiful gas in the air. Human beings inhale some amount of nitrogen as well. But plants need nitrogen for their survival. They cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. Bacteria takes nitrogen from the air and change its form so that plants can use it. Now let's learn a few things about oxygen. Oxygen is the second most plentiful gas in the air. Humans and animals take oxygen from the air as they breathe. Green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Cutting of trees disturbs the balance of oxygen in the atmosphere. Now let's quickly move to see all the major constituents of the air. The air is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. But then there are other composition of the air as well. The air has 0.03% of carbon dioxide, 0.93% of argon, and then other gases are also present in a small amount of 0.04%. All these constituents and composition percentage are very important and you must remember these. Now let's learn about one more type of gas which is present in the air. Even though its constituent or composition is very low in the atmosphere, yet its impact is huge on our surroundings. Yes, I'm talking about carbon dioxide. Green plants use it to make their food and release oxygen. Humans or animals also release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The amount of carbon dioxide released by humans or animals seems to be equal to the amount used by the plant, which makes it a perfect balance in the environment. However, this balance is upset by the burning of fuels such as coal and oil. They add billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere each year and hence affecting the Earth's weather and climate. And this is how global warming takes place. We will keep this video short so that you can focus on the composition, percentage and importance of these gases and the effects of imbalance on the environment. Thank you, students.